I'm gonna do my unboxing video.
Oh, that's
Hey,
because everybody's interested in what you're
you
doing.
never know. You never know until you find out.
No, I know.
That's what I say.
No.
Because this is my window seals, and I want to make sure that the window seals are proper. Proper. Looks like there's a hole in it. There was a hole in the box. Right here, look. See?
Praise God.
Why would you praise God for a hole in the box?
Well, why would you worry about it then?
Why? Because it's raining outside and I want to do something. Something
There's that there.
in the right direction.
Oh, you're not done yet?
Because this is called weather in the... I call it windowsill and they call it weather stripping. Whoa.
It is actually stripping, yes, that's true.
It just doesn't... Oh, this is for the front window. Wow. That's cool. And, oh, rear. What? What the heck? Wait, it's both front and rear right here?
Is it,
I don't know.
Is that what it says? I hope.
Maybe it's just,
They're both
Ford
very
truck
flat, so
windshield seal, rear window seal. Anyways, it comes with instructions because I have no idea how to do it. But that's going to have to happen on a beautiful sunny day. And then this is, this doesn't say what it is. Oh wait, rear window seal.
Oh, another
See,
one.
it's called window seal here. Back window seal. So that's weird.
How come
On
they're
the
both-
internet, it's called weather
They're
stripping.
both called rear. Why?
Well, one's bigger than the other, so. And then this is the. I don't have my glasses. But this is the kit. The door seal. The door seal. And the rear window seal. And this is the front window sill because it's bigger. So everything that I need to make sure that this
Oh, did you do?
whole thing is going to be together. And then now put all the packing material back together and store it until it is a sunny day to tear out the window and put the glass in, because I should have put the glass in already because I got the glass. Huh?
Is that breakable in there?
No, it's just probably for shipping purposes. That's it. The glass is breakable, but the glass is put away.
The glass is not in there.
Nope, it's not. But Devin, get out of my video.
Then how come you put it